macokererie Mathukuruini muthenya wa umuthi. Minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu nĩarutĩte ndũmĩrĩri ya gũtĩrĩrio kũhingũrwo kwa mathukuru na kuuga matigokorwo magicokereria Mathukuruini kiumia gĩkĩ nĩ ũndũ wa mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere kuura gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na gũcũngĩrĩria ikuũ na ũthũkangia wa indo cia mũingĩ. Akiarĩria Mekinyitie kaunti ya Mombasa Isaac Mwaura na Uria nĩ mwaria munene wa thirikari Nioritie Arutani Anene Makorwo na Uigiririki kuri Arutwo Kuona kuri Amwe Megukoretwo Mekinyitie Mathukuruini.
Those who may have on transit today and they've had to first reach school before they go back, and that decision we are calling upon the head teachers to be cautious about it, such that if they've already arrived at the destination and going back will make them to be to face the risk of flooding, again the principal should make the best decision for the best interest of that student or that child.
Na kuona namba ikuno irathi na mbere kuongerereka o muthenya makiria kaunti ya Tana River, Mwaura nĩorĩtie andũ makorwo Magiithema na Miyuro ya Maai Hamwe na Matuika, kuria amerĩire atĩ thirikari igukorwo ĩrĩ Kamuhari ka mbere harĩ kũmahe ũteithio wa irio hamwe na ũikaro nginyagia rĩrĩa mbura ĩno ĩgathira.
Because there is no need of risking just because there is a directive of the government, but those who have not traveled then don't, because we are trying to minimize this movement. As you can see, the number of fatalities has increased as a result of people on transit. For example, by Friday, I beg your pardon, the persons who had actually passed on because of the floods were 54. But that number surged as a result of the people who are on transit in Baringo. So you can see already from 54 to 70. So again, if we now have to speak about these floods, we have to include people who are using boats, like the case in Tana River.
Ona gukorwo ti mathukuru mothe magomirwo ni mĩihũro ya Maai na Matuika, Mwaura nĩaugĩte nĩ magwetha mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩkũhũthĩka kũrĩ arutwo nĩguo macokererie mathukuru-inĩ angĩkorwo mbura ndĩgũkorwo ĩrĩte wiki yũkĩte.
So really, let us use discretion, let us use good judgment, but also not taking risks just because we can make decisions. Let's make responsible decisions going forward, because that also depends on the situation, because ideally not all of the schools for sure are affected. You can't say like where we are now it's flooding. No, it's not. So one can move, but then you don't know about the future.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatudu.